Step 2, reading with help. Freckleface Strawberry. Lunch? What's that? Freckleface Strawberry and Windy Pants Patrick both love to eat lunch. They love to eat hot dogs. They love to eat grilled cheese. They loved to eat peanut butter and jelly. They love to eat chicken fingers. They love to eat noodles. They love to eat. They love to eat lunch, but they did not love to eat lunch in the lunchroom. One day, Freckleface Strawberry and Windy Pants Patrick went to eat in the lunchroom. Freckleface Strawberry got into the lunch line. She put her lunch on the tray. She sat down next to Windy Pants. Freckleface Strawberry was ready to eat. "What is that?" Windy Pants Patrick asked. "That," said Freckleface, "that is lunch." "I know that is lunch," said Windy Pants. "But what is that? But what is it?" "I do not know," said Freckleface. Then Winnie sat down. "What is that?" said Winnie. "What?" said Freckleface. "That," said Winnie. "That is lunch," said Freckleface. "Oh," said Winnie. "But what is it?" Freckleface said sadly. "I don't know. I do not know." Then Noah sat down. "How was lunch?" Noah yelled. "I do not know," said Freckleface. "Why not?" asked Noah loudly. "Because that is lunch," said Freckleface. She pointed at her tray. "That?" cried Noah. "That is lunch?" "Yes," shouted Freckleface, Winnie Pants, and Winnie. "Shh," said the lunchroom teacher. "No yelling in the lunchroom. Only lunch eating." "Well, it is time for lunch eating," Freckleface Strawberry whispered. "It is my lunch. I guess I will eat it." Windy Pants Patrick, Winnie, Noah were very, very quiet. Freckleface Strawberry ate her lunch. Windy Pants, Winnie, and Noah watched her eat. Windy Pants, Winnie, and Noah were very, very curious. Freckleface Strawberry chewed a long time. Finally, Windy Pants Patrick said, "What is it?" Freckleface Strawberry shook her head. "I do not know," she said. but I like it. Yay! And they all ate lunch. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching and listening.